What do you see about building people, investing in people, and creating a leadership pipeline that grow itself and then help people to continue to expand leadership across business units and functions?
I believe that every good leader would want to multiply themselves and pour out themselves into a lot of people. And how do you pour yourself into people? Is when you make them believe in your vision, because people cannot assimilate what they cannot understand, and people will not understand what they don't believe in.
Yes.
They have to believe you. Then they have to begin to look. They have to be focused on you to try to get what you carry. And then you also have to have a willing spirit to release as much as you can into people, so that when you are gone, if God helps you, you can have 1,000 of you doing the same pattern, maybe even more than what you have done. When you find people who believe in you, then you begin to teach them the values that have made you by telling them the stories of what they didn't know existed before they met you. People celebrate people's success without looking at their story. You have to be able to understand the story and the journey where that person came from to the point where you met the person, and then where the person is going to, so that you know you don't just wake up and you have arrived here, that there is a process. So if today I want to be a Dangote, I'm not looking at what Dangote is today. I'm looking at where is Dangote coming from. What were the principles that he had to follow to get to where he is now? I will look at what are even the mistakes that he made, because sometimes the greatest lesson in a man's life is in the mistakes that they made, so that you too do not make the same mistake. Because if you are following the footsteps, you might end up making the same mistakes they made if you do not already identify those mistakes and find ways of mitigating and ensuring that you don't make the same mistakes.
I usually tell people that you can't grow a team, you can't grow an organization, you can't grow a system if you have not grown yourself. Transformation, personal transformation, not a group transformation, not a national transformation.
Leaders who are called are moved by impact. They are moved by the thought of what will I be remembered for after I have finished from this one and I'm gone. Will the bell of the things that I've done be ringing in time and eternity? That is the most important thing. So it's beyond money. It's beyond popularity. It's beyond, even the applause that the world gives you. It is impact that you yourself know that you have created, both in the solutions that you have been able to provide, but more even especially in the people you have been able to affect their life.